a guide you to limit comments and messages on Instagram. So let's hop into Instagram. If you need to limit all your comments and messages and the comments that you are getting or the messages that you are being getting, so you can tap on your profile, top three lines. If you scroll down, you can find limit interactions. What limit interactions will do is that it will make most interactions limited, like comments, message, tag, mention, story replies, and content remixing. And who will be limited? Here you can see your recent followers and the accounts that don't follow you. Otherwise, you can toggle on even your close friends. If you toggle on everyone but your close friends, this two will be toggled off. If you toggle off this, these two will be toggled on. And you can turn on this and they will remind you every 6 days, and you can turn off that. But here all the tags mentions and even the story replies will be limited. So if you need to limit only the comments and messages, you can tag on comments. There you can see tap on comments. There you can who can comment you can limit that. You can tap on post and reels. So you can allow your follow the people or the followers or both. So let's say people I follow. So I have limited that, and the stories. Now I can turn off that too. Or otherwise, you can block any of the people by selecting their account. And for the messages, you can tap on message and story replies. There you can go to message request and tap on your followers request, and you can tap on don't receive. And again, you can go to others on request and you can tap on don't receive request. This is how you can limit comments and messages on Instagram. Thank you.